Good day, everyone. Welcome to Eddie Affairs International. In my earlier video, I promised to create separate videos for top 10 neurological conditions that are the leading cause of death and disabilities worldwide, particularly in developing nations. The first on this list is stroke.
Stroke disease occurs when blood flow to the brain is blocked. This becomes a problem to the brain because brain must constantly be receiving oxygen and nutrients from the blood. If brain could not receive this oxygen and nutrients constantly, brain cells begin to die within minutes. This is the most common cause of stroke. The second type of stroke is caused by the sudden bleeding in the brain, which makes the blood vessels in the brain to be leaking. When the blood starts leaking in the brain, there is a problem because the leaked blood put pressure on brain cells, causing damage to them. The seriousness of this damage determines how serious the stroke will be. These two conditions, or either of them, causes the brain to stop functioning properly. How do you know if the brain cells have started dying or the brain blood vessels have started leaking? Look out for these symptoms. Symptom number 1, inability to move. 2, inability to feel on one side of the body. 3, speech difficulty, as in you know what to say, but you cannot voice it out. Number 4, lower ability to understand speech. 5, dizziness. Number 6, loss of vision, maybe to one eye. Number 7, sudden or severe, or let's say in our time, serious headache. Number 8, sudden weakness. You just become tired all of a sudden. You that just finished dancing or eating 1 hour ago, then the tiredness just sets in immediately. Let's talk about management. Is it manageable or not? Yes, stroke is manageable. Urgent treatment helps a lot to prevent further damage in both cases. Therefore, if you notice the symptoms, seek medical attention immediately. Don't wait till tomorrow or next day or next week or next month. Seek help immediately. If doctor is able to detect which of the two causes, it could save you permanent disability and loss of lots of money. Medication within 4 hours could save your life. Yes, if you are able to get medical attention within hours and within the next 4 hours you are able to get adequate medication, it will save a lot. Summary: a stroke is a medical emergency. Ignoring it could cause long-term disability, brain damage, or even death. If you notice you or anyone showing any of these symptoms, please do the following. Number 1, call the healthcare emergency line immediately. Number 2, do not drive yourself to the hospital. Get someone to drive you. Number 3, do not let anyone drive you if you are sure there is rapid response from ambulance services in your community. You should only let someone drive you if there is no ambulance service. But if there is, it is better because the advantage of being carried by the ambulance to the emergency hospital room is enormous because the medical personnel can begin saving your life right from inside the ambulance before getting to the hospital. They are equipped to start assessment of the causes immediately. Remember, while battling with stroke, every minute counts. However, I understand that ambulance services in some communities might be delayed or might not even have medical personnel. Therefore, you could find a way to getting yourself to the hospital through the nearest health centers. If there is a cure for stroke, can someone recover after the attack? 3 conditions are the determinants here. Whether the answer to this question will be yes or no. 3 things are the determinants. Number 1, it depends on the part of the brain that is affected. That is, where in the brain the blockage or bleeding occurs. Number 2, seriousness or severity of the affected parts. That is, how serious or how severe the affected part of the brain is. Some are mild, while others may be at severe or serious level. The third determinant here is how fast are you able to get medical attention. This also involves some factors. A, the ability to get to the hospital. B, the capacity of the kind of the hospital you are at to understand and handle stroke and the professional conduct of the medical team. to adequately assess your condition and deploy appropriate treatments, be it medications, surgery, or another procedure. Also, it is very important to note that after medical attention, a rehabilitation plan is always available to get you back to what you used to do before you had a stroke. Therefore, if we were to ask the question again, is stroke treatable? The answer would be yes. Just try and follow the above procedures. Thank you for your attention. Kindly subscribe to our channels. Click the notification bell. Comment if you have more questions that you think we didn't talk about in this episode. Thank you. See you on the next video.